Hello guys! Today's video, I will show you how to remove suggested on Messenger. So go in your Messenger app and go click on your search tab here. And you will see some suggested person available even if you don't know them. So basically, in order to fix this, we have many options. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Check if your Messenger is in need of update. After that, go back to your Messenger and go to your settings. Scroll down and tap Phone Contacts. Once here in this area, your upload contacts should be off like mine. And after that, go to Manage Contacts. And all you have to do here is tap the Delete All Contacts. And once you have done that, go ahead in your phone settings and go to Apps. And locate your Messenger here. Basically, you just have to clear cache and clear storage. So now go open your Messenger. Now there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.